What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way how to create professional looking thumbnails for your YouTube channel, because I still feel like this is probably one of the most overlooked yet so important factors about being successful on YouTube. That's actually the very first thing people see, and that's probably the main reason why you clicked on this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Jaman here, and I decided to make this quick tutorial to make your life easier, because I know how it feels like to invest a lot of time into producing a video and all the other stuff that comes into play, including creating thumbnails. So since I don't have any experience about graphical design, I had to come up with a better idea to create those thumbnails. And that's eventually how I discovered Canva. After a couple of hours research, I eventually found this beautiful website. And over here you can design several items, including thumbnails for YouTube. So let's head over to Canva.com, and I'll be going to my desktop and show you guys how it's done. So here we are on the website called Canva.com. Now just create yourself a free account, so it's totally free. And after that's done, just press create a design, custom size, go for 1920 by 1080, create new design. Then you get this empty canvas over here. Let me show you how I made my thumbnail today. So I already uploaded a picture, so you can press this button to upload any media. So that was the picture I used today. Now just resize it until it fits the canvas. So the very first part was very easy, and all the rest of the parts are super easy. So let's say you wanna add a box or a rectangular, it doesn't matter which shape it is. So we're gonna drag that over here. I'm gonna switch the color, so gray, and then I'm gonna add some text. So for example, thank you, but we're just gonna delete that one because we don't need that one. Now we can adjust this into how to, and then we're gonna flip the text a bit, turn it around like this, 0 degrees, so now it's straight. Okay, now we're gonna resize it a bit. That's how it's done. It's always drag and drop, it's super easy. You can also adjust the text over here if you like. See, plus and min. That's how it's done. So we're gonna resize it a bit until it fits the box, and afterwards we're gonna resize the rectangular like this. So that's the first part. How to, let's add another text. So we're just gonna go for another element. Now if you like round shapes, which is possible, there's different shapes you can use. There's also different graphics design you can use. So for example, right now I'm holding a candle, as you can see. Pretty funny. So let's flip this around a bit, put this thing in my hand. So right now I'm holding a candle. So, and also, which is very important, a YouTube play button. Put that thing over here. How to, we're gonna turn this into how to light a candle. That's what we're gonna do. So we need another rectangular shape kind of thingy. So I'm just gonna go for this square box again and make it as a rectangular shape. How to make this a bit longer. So we're gonna keep the red, and we're gonna add another text. So we're gonna make the text pop out a bit. So we're gonna go for the pink one. I know it's gonna look weird, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's just to let you see how easy it actually is to create stuff on this website. So stretch it out a bit. Damn, man. Wait a minute, I have to resize it first, probably. Nope. Why are you so annoying today? Hello. Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, this should be good enough. How to light a candle. Okay. So guys, now we created a simple, quick and easy, yet a still professional looking thumbnail, so I just created how to light a candle. So I'm not gonna use this stuff, of course. Now guys, let's say if you wanna add yourself onto another background, is this possible? Yes, sure, this is also possible, so let me show you how it's done. So I already made a PNG file out of myself, so wait a minute, damn, okay, let me put myself over here. So here we have another Jaman. So I'm wearing a t-shirt with myself on it. Yeah, looks pretty neat, huh? But guys, how can we remove this background? Well, pretty simple. For example, just go on Google, type in background remover. Pretty easy. The first site that pops up is good enough. Just upload your image. So it's this picture over here. And voila, background removed. So this is the original picture. Now press download. Of course, it's not the highest resolution, but it's good enough, you'll see. So I already did this a couple of times, and there are several ways to do it, so I'm going to show you another way, but this one takes a bit more time. So just go on paint.net. It's also a free program you can use, but it takes quite some time. So just file, just open, how to, wait a minute, where's the folder again, desktop, how to, this picture over here, open, press tool, eraser. This is how you do it manually. So to give you guys an example, of course, if you want to do it if you want to go into detail, you have to make your brush way smaller, zoom in on the picture, you know. It takes quite some time to do it perfect, so I would not recommend doing this. Just go for the free programs you'll find online. Makes life way easier. So now we know how to remove our background. Just go back to Canva and go to uploads. Just upload the media, whatever you created. So I already have it over here, so let me edit real quick so you can see that it really works. And this is the quality. So as you can see, not the best quality, but still acceptable. So multiple Jamans if you like. I mean, crazy. I like video edit. I like creating those thumbnails. Pretty fun to do. So I'm gonna delete this one and quickly show you another trick which might be useful. So let's put that triangle over here. But you can use any shape you like. Keep that in mind. So let's move it over here like this. Then press this thingy over here, transparency, and as you can see, it will fade away. So all neat tricks to do. So guys, that was it for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.